Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset POCO M6. Okay, so we have two methods how we can reset this device. First method is simply by using the settings. This method is recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, basically when it's responsive. And the second one is through the recovery mode, and it's used when we cannot perform the first method. So let's open up the settings, click on About Phone, scroll down and click on Factory Reset. And now all you need to do is to tap on Erase All Data. Have in mind that all of the data will be permanently lost from your device, but before factory resetting you can always create a backup of your data if you want. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a bunch of videos how you can do it, so I'm sure you'll find out how to do it. Okay. Now simply tap on Erase All Data, follow the instruction on the screen, and then your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Now let's go with the method through the recovery mode. To do it we need to power off our device, click the power button and the volume up button, and select power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and when the logo appears we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. Let me show you how to do it. So currently I'm holding both of the buttons. Now I'll release the finger from the power button and keep holding volume up. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. Now using the volume keys, select Wipe Data, confirm by clicking the power button, again wipe all data, and now click on Confirm. This is the last chance to cancel, because when we click on Confirm right now, we'll lose all of our data and our device will be factory resetted. Okay, so now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, now we need to click on power button to get back into the main menu. Now select the reboot. Now reboot the system, and now we need to wait until the device turns on, and then we need to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.